Good morning, folks. My name is Lonnie Bowers. I'm coming from Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you this 2018 Keystone Montana fifth wheel. Model number is a 3790 RD. This coach is generator ready. Your little door here, it's all wired up and ready to go. So if you decide to get a generator, you can get one and put in here, so you have it. Nice big underbelly storage. It's magnetized latches, so you don't have to worry about latching them yourself. Nice big storage unit, underbelly storage, basement if you will. It's lined and insulated with plenty of room for all your extras. You have a power awning. All your windows are frameless, which is nice. They open from the bottom out. Nice big solid steps. You've got hydraulic auto leveling system. You can do one at a time, or you can do them all four automatically. Just push the button and it'll level your coach. Nice big drag rail. This is a raised living coach in the rear. You've got a separate living area up here, up the stairs. Really, really nice, comfortable space. Opposing couches that both fold into a bed. Right here you have two recliners that are heated. You have a television that comes up out of the cabinet, so you still have use of your windows for lighting, but when you're ready to sit down and get comfortable and watch television, there's a remote that this TV raises up out of the cabinet. Got a fireplace below. This will heat the coach. Opposing slides, so it gets nice and wide in here. It's real comfortable again. Day and night, or roll down shades day and night, so you've got the regular daytime shades, or you can roll down for complete darkness inside with the nighttime shades. Kitchen, quite large, center island. Nice heavy duty Furrion 3-burner stove. The nice thing about the Furrion, it's a little bit bigger than the older Domestics, but it also has an electronic start instead of worrying about a pilot light going out or having to relight it. Got a nice double deep stainless steel sink, solid surface countertops. Nice 4-door refrigerator, lots of room for food and beverages. It's set up quite nice. Freezer's nice and large. This is a 3-way refrigerator, so whether you're parked or dry camping, you can use your refrigerator. Will stay nice and cold. Microwave convection oven, lots of storage. You've got cabinets underneath the center island. You got a drawer underneath the stove and cabinets on either side. Nice little area here for a coffee pot or what have you. Nice pantry storage here. Nice and deep, big shelves, lots of room. Nicely done doors, glass. Little coat hanger here. A nice big bathroom here. Walk-in shower, glass doors. Much better than those accordion doors or a curtain. Nice skylight in there. Come into the bedroom. Come in a nice king-size bed. Nice closet storage with mirrors. Just gives you the feel of a little bit larger room. Behind this door, it's all set up for washer and dryer if you choose to get one. More storage here. Nice chest of drawers here with nice drawers. This is all wood construction, by the way. No press board here, no wrapped counters here. Television up front. This is a nice unit. A lot of value for the money. Would love to see you out here. Take a look. Come by and see me. My name's Lonnie Bowers, Guaranty RV Supercenters. Thank you.